Guess what, everybody? It's not working again. As you can see here. Wow. I'm going to... Alright, everybody. Sorry for being busy. I don't know where the truck left it. It's not working again. Stupid memory storage, but as you can see, here goes the truck. I'll be right back for a second. I'm back. Here goes. Let's go. Elinor, another snow working in White Plains. And Rainbow Dash. Yeah, I saw it. We're not gonna go get Pinkie Pie because she is sleeping, plus it ended already. I'm sorry if my lenses are dirty, but here it goes. We're not gonna watch the whole night. We'll watch one more, back it up until we end this video. It's nighttime in White Plains. Sorry for the shakes, but it's nighttime. Alright, everybody, hope you like it, the news. So have a good night. Get home safe.